Okay, check high pressure switch. Okay, and okay, problem found here. The earth is all body ground was removed from the clip. So we need to change this one. I could area. Give me way. Problem is here. It can loose. All the line for HP switch, low LP HP switch. That's here, and one line is going to this line to the board. So this line missing cause the error. As you see, the pressure is okay. It's okay. And we also check the low pressure switch. By the way, this problem AL6 is a pressure related error, either high pressure or low pressure error. But based on our gauge, we have a standing pressure 200 psi, standing pressure for 404 gas. So meaning our gas is full on the unit have exact gas. And the problem was only there, the earth. In case you encounter this problem, you can check first the pressure is okay, then check low pressure switch, high pressure switch, and then if don't found any problem, then check all the wiring.